friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious dessert for St. Patrick Day, pudding in a delicious cup that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Let me show you the box of Jello pudding that I'm using. Very easy to make, and I know that you guys are going to love it. 3 cups of very cold water, green food coloring, of course, for St. Patrick Day, and the whole package of the vanilla pudding powder. Yes, we are going to mix very well, making sure that everything is incorporated, and then we are going to put it aside. Of course, this is a vanilla pudding. I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and you already have this amazing recipe on my channel. Let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to make your amazing desserts. Here, I'm adding the Oreo cookies into a Ziploc box bag, and now I am going to really pull it apart, crumble it completely. And once this is done, let me show you. This amazing dessert is easy to prepare, very few ingredients, but yet it's going to be so creamy, so delicious, and the flavor of the vanilla, let me tell you, just perfection made at home. Now that you have all the ingredients ready, we're going to go to the stove. Once you put your pot onto the stove, medium high heat, you are going to stay there for about 5 minutes. Do not stop whisking. If you do, it's going to stick, it's going to burn, and it's not going to be pretty at all. So for 5 minutes, I am going to mix until it's nice and creamy and nice and thick. And you start seeing a little bit of bubbles bringing up to the surface. When this is done, you're ready to start preparing your little cups for your amazing dessert. Let me add a little bit of the Oreo cookie mixture on the bottom. Add some of the pudding on the top. You see, it's nice and hot. And this is how you want to make it so it's still nice and smooth. Look at this. Of course, once we make our 2 cups, we're going to take them to the refrigerator where you have your milk. And we're going to leave them there for about 20 minutes so that the mixture thickens up, gets nice and thick, and it's nice and cold. This dessert, this pudding needs to be nice and thick and nice and cold. And of course, after you add your Oreo cookies crumble on the bottom, you're going to start laying everything on the top of your pudding. Look at this. This is a very easy and delicious recipe. If you have little ones at home, invite them in the kitchen. Have them help you make this amazing and delicious dessert. Let me tell you, once you make it, you're going to really love it. It's low in calories, very delicious, and nice and creamy. And now I'm ready to take it to the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. While that's in the refrigerator, we are going to whip up heavy whipping cream. This heavy whipping cream already has the sweetened and has vanilla too. So I'm just going to mix. I'm going to put it in a little plastic baggie, and of course with the little beautiful tip so that we could really decorate our 2 little cups. Look at this. These are pastry bags, but if you don't have pastry bags, you could use Ziplocs. Very easy. Let me tell you, There's no need to go and buy these little bags when you have Ziplocs at home or just a little baggie that you could use. These are going to be the toppings, the decoration for our beautiful and delicious cups of pudding. Look at this. Of course, it has to be green. I'm sure you knew how easy you could really decorate these amazing cups. I have the sprinkles. I have 2 Oreo cookies for the decoration, and of course, the heavy whipping cream. And now I am ready to decorate. You could add as little or as much as you want. For this one, I'm going to add just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of the sprinkles, green sprinkles on the top. And of course, the Oreo cookie. Look how easy this is, and look how gorgeous it looks. Now, if you want to be a little more fancy and you love the the heavy whipping cream a lot on the top, well, you decide how you're going to decorate. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this really looks amazing. The color, the texture, oh my God, and the aroma of the vanilla paste, just perfection made at home. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, let me show you the texture. It's going to be so creamy. It's going to be nice and thick. And when you enjoy it cold, oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Look at this. For the St. Patrick Day, make this amazing dessert. You're going to love it. And if you have little ones, I am sure they're going to really have fun helping you decorate this amazing dessert. I'll see you in just a little bit. Hi, friends. I am completely done with this amazing vanilla pudding dessert. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mmm, so creamy. These flavors are just the perfect combination. Excuse me. Mmm, mmm, amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing vanilla pudding dessert for St. Patrick, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and delicious vanilla pudding dessert. See you soon. Bye bye.